Hey everyone, if your application uses API keys, database credentials, authentication secrets, or other configuration values, environment variables are essential for keeping that information secure. In this video, I'll show you how to set up environment variables in Vercel from start to finish in 2026. First, sign in to your Vercel account and open the project where you want to configure environment variables. Once you're inside the project dashboard, navigate to the Settings section and select Environment Variables. Here you'll see the area where you can create and manage variables for your application. Next, click Add New Variable. You'll be asked to enter a variable name and its corresponding value. For example, you might add API keys, database connection strings, authentication secrets, or third-party service credentials. Be careful when entering values. Even a small typo can prevent your application from functioning correctly after deployment. After entering the variable name and value, choose the environments where it should be available. Depending on your project setup, you may configure variables for development, preview, production, or multiple environments. This allows you to use different settings for testing and live deployments. And that's how to set up environment variables in Vercel in 2026. With proper configuration and deployment, you can securely manage application settings and keep your projects running smoothly. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.